Alright, so here it is, guys. It's printing. I've got it good enough to make a video, and found a couple little whatnots off of the Thingiverse to print. My first couple of little prints were just rudimentary stuff. Tried to print a crescent wrench, and I really didn't have the bottom set right, but you know, you gotta start somewhere. Did that, and a little coaster thing. It's kind of cool. But that's a plastic blade. We'll call it a knife. It's not metal. It looks like a knife. And it's maybe about a quarter of the way finished. I'll take the camera off and kind of do a close-up for you. I couldn't make this thing work right in the shop. It was just too cold last night. So I brought it in the house and let it warm up, and it's just done a lot better. You know, this morning I checked the temperatures. I got a laser temperature deal, and it was probably 30 degrees difference. So this thing's been pretty good. It's got some quirks. I won't say what they are until I give them a chance to fix it, you know, via email or whatever. It may be something I did. Anyway, if it's not, I'll tell you about it. That way, if you get one of these things, you'll either understand or maybe even know how to fix it. I was trying to just fix it this morning in the G code, but couldn't really find the spot where to do it. I know how to edit it, but the software that comes with it, I like it. There was an update to the program that cuts it in two, whatever those things are called, slices it, and I tried to use it, and I think it works. It's just I kind of like this one within the program. It's an older version, but for learning, I think that's going to be good rather than having to use two different programs. So I may let the camera go on for a while. Y'all can watch this. Like I said, it's about a quarter of the way up, and I may just fast forward, you know, so you can see the finished result and not have to watch it in real time. Here it is, guys, just finished. See if we can get it off here. There it is. Rough on the bottom, better on the top, but the form I really like. I can really work with this. A little bit of TLC, and I'll show you all the results. So here's my project. It's a little dirty now. I took it out in the shop and I put an edge on it, which you might can see here. The camera will focus right. It's like anything plastic, you know, it kind of snag, cut through some paper once or twice, and then, you know, it's kind of dull again, but I still like it.